background.
No, my name is Cookie, so
His name is Zaire. His name is Zaire. It's not Cookie Squad Zaire. That's his YouTube name. Go follow him. I will go and
not follow me.
Yes,
It's called
subscribe.
And hit that bell for more videos.
So it is actually, let me see on my new case. It is actually 3:32 in Philadelphia. So let's open up this slime. He's talking about our trip that we're taking because we need to go out and go see some of you guys. So yeah, you guys, let's just pour it. And it look like it's liquidy. Like, look at that. Let me just take a little piece to get y'all started on what it's going to look like. This is a little piece. It's not as sticky. It's a little liquidy because it's jiggly slime. So yeah, you guys, this is liquid slime. If y'all didn't know, now I'm going to take out all of it. This is an extra large, if y'all wanted to know. This is an extra large. So, poke it. Let's bring all the slime into the video. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at my jiggly. This is actually big, and I did. This is a burgundy type color. Down below, if this is like a burgundy.
I get all the money in the water.
No,
Mommy, all the money in the water.
So, what she got? Is that your stuff? So we're just poking it, and I'm about to do something real quick. Matter of fact, I'm about to look on my phone to see who follows me and stuff. So yeah, it comes straight to my phone. Cause I have a camera. Here's my phone. Y'all want to see my phone? Here's my phone. It's a 5S. And yeah, I'm trying to work up to the 8 Plus or the X. You know what I mean? So I'm about to look on my phone to see who subscribed, who liked, and who put on their notification button. So.
I've never seen two dogs act like this. When he comes around her, man, she just act like she's just in love. Like she's just gonna take him home.
Slime. And you guys, I'm giving a giveaway. If y'all didn't know already, it's going to be giving away some gift cards to like the Apple Store. It's going to have $200 on it. And I'm going to give away an iPhone X and an iPhone 5S and 8 Plus. So let's put up my YouTube name.
Thank you. Margarita, thank you. How many things you had? Man, I don't know. I'm thinking about 11.
So let's just poke this because my phone has been done.
Look at the mom until she's not stressed. Right, you promise. That's thanks, man. I'm nervous and I'm panicking and she keeps having contractions, so she just started tonight.
I gotta look for my picture as y'all, well, y'all can't see. I looked up Lessia. I said Lucia, but it's okay.
Oh my God, that nail looks so much like my boy Kimbo. Alicia, you should. Is that a chihuahua?
Oh, here goes my YouTube channel, you guys.
How you pulling stuff down?
So, on one of my videos, yeah. Bored, I got 1 view for accessorizing with the daughter. I got 8 views. How I can change my voice. how I could change my voice. I got no views, Cooking with Azaria, no views, and my slime, no views. So, yeah, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys my slime, you know, because it's really playful and stuff. And I might give away some slime, so, okay.
South Africa, Cape Town. That's what's up, Michelle. We need something like that down here in Alabama. Dogs be scars right. Fayetteville, is that Arkansas? Yeah, Florida. Like my neighbor.
Sorry, you guys. I'm trying to send y'all the text messages for when I gave out my. Well, I'm actually on Snapchat. I'm looking at you guys. I just forgot all about you guys. Sorry, I'll never forget about the Zari Squad. One of y'all just texted me actually. It said. Sorry, so cause you guys are sending me like my phone is blowing up from you guys. I'm really sorry for that. And if y'all wondering, this is where my slime part is gonna be. Whenever I do slime or like mix slime, it's gonna be here. So yeah, y'all are like blowing up my phone. Like my phone was blowing up all last night. I was up until like, I don't know, maybe like 2 o'clock texting you guys back, and y'all still texting back. I'm like, y'all up at this time? Back in my day, we was up. We was in the bed. Okay. So, let's just let this. And don't be putting no negative comments if I just bring out what I want to eat right now and still put slime. So I ain't gonna do that. I ain't about to do that to you guys. Y'all probably gonna be hungry. I ain't about to do that to y'all. First of all, I don't even have any Pringles, so. You guys, that's all for today. I hope you love this slime. And I'm going to be doing a vlog when I go shopping. So, yeah, stay in tune for that. Let's put it back in this container. And let me show you what it looks like in the container. Hold up, first you gotta let it melt. Not melt, but this is what it looks like in the container. And I just like to play with it. So yeah, you guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, and definitely hit that like button. Like, wow, why would you hit everything else and not the like button? Like smash that like button, smash it, and bye you guys. Bye you guys. That's my cousin. He always jams.